You can absolutely achieve cinematic look with your iPhone, or in reality any modern smartphone with at least a decent camera. But creating that look, you need to take several different things in consideration, and with this short video I'm gonna go through the ones that I feel to be the most important. Number 1. Always shoot in log format. Filming in log preserves maximum dynamic range and detail, allowing for greater flexibility in color grading and exposure adjustments. This ensures a more cinematic look while preventing clipped highlights and crushed shadows. Number 2. Use natural and motivated lighting. Good lighting is crucial for cinematic look. Utilize soft, diffused lighting like golden hour sunlight or practical lights in a scene, rather than harsh direct light. If needed, small LED panels or practical lamps can enhance the mood. In the nighttime, I tend to look small light sources from reflections, neon signs and car lights. Third tip, audio. Cinematic films have clean, immersive sound. You can get crispy audio with your phone, but recording separate audio and syncing it in post does improve quality. Additionally, adding subtle sound design like Foley effects and well-mixed soundtrack can elevate the cinematic film. Fourth tip, color grading. Color grading is a crucial step in making iPhone footage look cinematic. LUTs can replicate the look of actual film stocks or specific cinematic styles, ensuring consistency across shots. While manual grading is an option, LUTs provide a great starting point, especially for quick and professional looking results. And for additional tips, I would experiment with adding some cinematic grain to your footage. You can also try different aspect ratios. I think 2.35 by 1 is as cinematic as it gets. Also, adding some bloom or halo effect to your light sources can further reinforce the cinematic look. When you combine all of these, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.